Hi guys, it's been a very long time that I have posted a vlog. So now I am back with a sincere vlog again. The last 3 days have been little hectic. I went to a trip, a short cute trip for a festival in and around outskirts of Vizag. If you have known it, Araku. So I enjoyed a lot, but it's time that I have to come back to studies again. What happened was the radiology part was so good. I have completed the BTR video, I have revised it. The nuclear medicine part and small topics which I always feel tough were left to just go through once. Otherwise, radiology is at its end. Orthopedics is what I'm lagging right now. So I have started with orthopedics video early in the morning. I have completed 1.5 hour. So there is 1.5 hour more. I have already started watching it. It's maybe half an hour left, I think so. So someone has been asking me to post the schedule. So here is it. I hope it is visible to you guys. When the days are going out towards the neetpg exam, I really feel that the things what I am doing right now is least necessary for you than what you are doing right now. These vlogs are just for motivation so that you should wake up and pat your backs to study on your study table. That is the main purpose of these vlogs. So I am thinking of including some MCQs or maybe 2 to 3 MCQ discussion at the end of the vlogs, which I have created for myself or which are confusing to me in a better way, in a question and answer manner. So I hope this helps. Let me know in the comments if they are useful. So pause your videos and just read the question carefully and try to answer the question, and then read the explanation if you want. Otherwise, just ignore the explanation. It's just to emphasize for those people who didn't understand. So the question here is, viability of fetus is seen in trans-abdominal ultrasound at how many weeks? So basically they're asking in trans-abdominal. Usually there is this 1 week difference between transvaginal ultrasound and trans-abdominal ultrasound. So they are asking about viability of fetus. What I am going to tell you is about transvaginal ultrasound. At 4.5 weeks you will see GSAC. At 5.5 you will see GSAC plus yolk sac, and at 6.5 you will see GSAC plus yolk sac plus embryo, and viability of fetus is something which is related to embryo. But they are asking about trans-abdominal ultrasound, meaning you have to add 1 week, that is 7 weeks. So this is something which my friend have asked me, and first I have given the right answer and then I went to wrong answer again. So I just wanted to make it clear for you, or if you have confusion like this to you also, then I really suggest you to go through it once. So what is double bleb sign? Pause the video and try to answer. So it is nothing but yolk sac plus amnion layer together combined as a double bleb sign. So you can see the yolk sac and the amnion layer around the embryo and also the main G sac. So the yolk sac and amnion together is called as double bleb sign. Remember that. So the last question is, a patient underwent a urethral procedure, some urethral procedure. I didn't mention it. So because I'm not so pro, but I just tried to create one question. And now the patient is having post stream of urine even after the procedure. So they're suspecting some strictures in the patient. What is the preferred contrast for seeing the urine flow? So the options are barium contrast, technetium 99, iodinated contrast, and any contrast can be used. Usually the first option to be eliminated is any contrast can be used, because these type of options are faltu. Technetium 99 is definitely not the option. So they are asking about post-op patient and they are giving strictures and they are asking preferred contrast. Three conditions where barium is contraindicated is post-op patients, peritonitis, perforation, tracheoesophageal fistula, where the connection should not be there with the other structures, barium is contraindicated. So the answer is iodinated contrast. Technetium 99 is for Meckel's diverticulum. This is how we solve this question. So I hope this video is helpful to you guys, and let me know if you want some of these videos in the next vlogs too. These are some of the glimpses of the beautiful trip that I went for the festival in Araku. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye guys. See you in the next video. Until then, keep studying. Bye bye.